Hello friends, welcome to TALLWIN Live. Introducing a new technology of making money. It is authorized US-based program which is latest, fully automated and highly secure with latest technology. Our highly educated and skilled developer are managing and upgrading this program. Company running its all servers and services from United States, having multiple branches involved to provide powerful customer support and services. Hello friends, in today's run-of-the-mill life, no one or nor anyone is able to help anyone. In today's time, people are most needed, that is money. Friends, to meet the needs of money, people are doing different types of business. One of them is network marketing. Friends, network marketing is the most emerging business of the 21st century, through which the lives of millions of people have been changed. Rich people can move forward only by helping each other. Keeping that in mind, meet Wesley, who is the founder of this system. Hazel Leela, the Jack Mason, are the programmer of this system. Together, they have created tremendous system of crowdfunding. The name of this system is TALLWIN Live. Friends, TALLWIN Live is US-based program. Friends, the attractive thing is auto pull bonus of the system, which starts from only $30. If we talk about Indian rupees, then it is about approx 2,400. Starting from this, you can earn $1,91,812.5, which is Indian rupees 1,53,45,000, even without doing anything. So friend, now let's talk about TALLWIN Live business plan. TALLWIN Live gives you a chance to get 5 types of tremendous income, like sponsor bonus income, boosting board income, team building bonus income, team promotion bonus income, and next and last is auto pull bonus income. Talking about joining, you can join here from just $30. Now let's talk about sponsor bonus. When you join a member by yourself, you will get $15. Here you can earn unlimited money by doing unlimited direct. So friend, now let's talk about our second income, that is boosting board income. Whenever you sponsor someone directly, then you will get $15 direct sponsor income. If you invest this $15 in boosting board, then you will become a member of boosting board, and whenever worldwide 2 in your down and 2 boosting board members comes in those 2 down, then your board is complete and you get $50 of boosting board bonus. The most important thing is that as many boosting board as you direct can take income by taking entry. So friend, now let's talk about our third income, that is team building bonus income. Team building bonus, at this time you can see a chart on screen, and in that you can see how many dollars you will earn at which level. So my dear friends, let's talk about our next income plan, that is team promotion bonus. In team promotion bonus, you will get different types of income according to your rank. Whenever your sponsor member upgrade to Jasper Rank, you will get $15 income. On Hasson Rank, you will get $30 income. On Alexander Rank, you will get $16 income. On Topaz Rank, you will receive $120, and last rank, that is Sapphire Rank, you will receive $240. In this way, each team member sponsored by you gets a total income of $465. Now let's talk about TALLWIN Live Auto Pulls income. You will get this auto pull in a total of 10 installment. You will get $1,534.5 in Opal rank. Withdrawal condition, you must have 2 direct sponsor for next promotion. If we talk about our next auto pull, that is Jasper Rank, for which you have to upgrade your ID with $60, and friends, in Jasper auto pull you will earn $6,138. If we talk about withdrawal condition, so friends, you must have 2 direct sponsor for next promotion. So my dear friends, let's talk about our next auto pull income, that is Hasson Rank, for which you have to upgrade your ID only $120, and you will get $12,276 income from this auto pull. If we talk about our withdrawal condition, so my dear friends, you must have 2 direct sponsor for next promotion. So friends, let's talk about our next auto pull income, that is for Alexander Rank. If we talk about Alexander auto pull, in this auto pull you have to upgrade your ID only for $240, and you will receive total $24,552 income from this amazing auto pull. If we talk about withdrawal condition, so friends, you must have 2 direct sponsor for next promotion. So friends, next auto pool income is for Topaz Rank. If we talk about our next auto pool, that is Topaz Rank, you have to upgrade your ID with only $480. And friends, in Topaz auto pool, you will receive total $49,104 income. Friends, if we talk about withdrawal condition, so you must have 2 direct sponsors for next promotion. So friends, let's talk about our next and last auto pool income, that is Blue Sapphire Rank. In Blue Sapphire Rank, you have to upgrade your ID with only $960, and in this auto pool, you will get $98,208 income. So friends, if we talk about withdrawal condition, you must have 2 direct sponsors for next promotion. So my dear friends, in this way, you will earn total $1,91,812.5 income from total of 6 auto pool. So friends, there are some terms and conditions which you can see on your screen. So guys, this was TALLWIN Life's complete business plan. We hope you must have liked this video. So join the system as soon as possible. To join, contact the person who sent you this video or check the description box of this video. So my dear friends, let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.